We're taking a look at this Hydration Nation water bottle. Needed a new water bottle. This looks like the way to go. It has 3 different caps. The straw lid, which I really like because you can flip up and have a straw built into it. Also gives you the carabiner sort of attachment point. This one is my favorite. Then we get the flip lid. This is good when it's something like coffee, in my opinion. So this one will flip up and give you a place to sip. So coffee, hot chocolate, hot beverages, that's the way to go. Now we open it up, and it already has the stainless steel lid installed, I'm guessing. So we'll, oh, we got a couple of straws there. Makes sense for the straw cap. You attach the straw here, and then it's going to go down and reach under your ice and under if you've got like fruit floating in there or something like that. Or don't put it on, and then you can fill it with ice that way. Alright, it's inside of some bubble wrap to keep it nice during shipping. And yeah, nice looking. Went with the black, the flat black. It's got the Hydration Nation logos on it. That's cool. And this is the stainless lid. So hot or cold, this is the lid. Nice, wide, easy to put ice in there. You put soup in this one. It's a good thermos size. So an insulated variety pack with the different lids from Hydration Nation. Very cool. We want to thank Hydration Nation for sending us this one to check out. Hope this has helped.